Frogs are among the most mysterious creatures on our planet. In this video, we will dive into the world of frogs, revealing 10 amazing facts about these unique amphibians. The unique croaking of frogs. The creator endowed frogs with a remarkable vocal talent that is unparalleled in the entire natural world. Their vocal cords are structured in a special way, allowing them to produce sounds of amazing loudness and variety. The deeply developed vocal mechanisms of frogs include air sacs that act as natural resonators. These enhance and spread their croaking over impressive distances, making it audible far beyond their immediate surroundings. Additionally, the musculature of a frog's throat controls the croaking in such a way that it maintains the necessary intensity and duration of the sound. A song to the Almighty. According to Jewish sages, the croaking of frogs is a unique song dedicated to the Creator. The sages teach that when King David finished writing the Book of Psalms, he felt a certain pride and asked the Almighty, Lord of the world, "Is there anyone in your creation who praises you more than I do?" In response, a frog approached David and said, "David, do not be proud. I praise the Almighty more than you." Frogs and Torah sages. The Midrash makes an interesting comparison between frogs and Torah sages. The Vilna Gaon explains that this comparison is based on their remarkable ability for prolonged and intense vocal activity. Just as a frog is capable of croaking loudly for many hours, so too does a Torah sage, tirelessly and without pause, dedicate themselves to the study of sacred texts for many hours. The self-sacrifice of frogs. Jewish sages recount that during the plague of frogs in Egypt, they demonstrated remarkable self-sacrifice by jumping into fire. This act served as an example of bravery for Hananel, Mishael, and Azaliah. When faced with the choice of worshiping the golden statue erected by the Babylonian ruler Nebuchadnezzar or remaining true to their faith despite the risk of being thrown into the fire, they remembered the example of the frogs and chose to be cast into the fire. Nocturnal activity of frogs. Frogs are most active at night, and there are compelling reasons for this. First and foremost, nighttime conditions offer a cooler and more humid environment, which is ideal for their skin that requires constant moisture. During the day, higher temperatures and dry air can be unfavorable for frogs. Moreover, the darkness of night provides frogs with better protection from predators, allowing them to move and hunt freely. Linguistic feature and meaning of the name Sardia. In Hebrew, a frog is called Sardia. According to Jewish sages, this word is a combination of two words in Aramaic, sfar, which means morning, and da, which translates as here is. Together, they form the expression here is the morning. This implies that with the arrival of dawn, frogs gradually quiet down, resting during the day. The remarkable adaptability of frogs. Frogs, known for their astonishing adaptability, inhabit diverse ecosystems around the world. From tropical rainforests to Arctic tundras, frogs demonstrate an incredible ability to survive and thrive under a variety of conditions. This makes them some of the most flexible and versatile amphibians. The metamorphosis of frogs. The life cycle of frogs is a fascinating story of transformation. From egg to tadpole, and then to an adult frog, each stage in the life of a frog is a testament to remarkable metamorphoses. In this process, they transition from the aquatic lifestyle of a tadpole to the more terrestrial existence of an adult frog. This process not only demonstrates the wonder of biological adaptation, but also serves as an important indicator of ecosystem health. Diversity of frog species. The world of frogs is astounding in its diversity. There are more than 7,000 known species of frogs, each with its unique characteristics. From brightly colored tree frogs to inconspicuous amphibians dwelling in underground habitats, frogs exhibit an astonishing variety of forms, sizes, and behaviors. Frogs and insect regulation. Frogs, feeding on a variety of insects including agricultural pests, play a key role in maintaining ecological balance. Their presence in ecosystems helps control insect populations, preventing their excessive proliferation. This role of frogs in nature makes them important guardians of ecosystem health, and their decline can lead to disruptions in food chains and an increase in the number of harmful insects. In this video, we have seen that the frog, which may appear as an unremarkable creature, is actually a bearer of many wonders. Frogs remind us that every being, regardless of its size and appearance, holds unique value and plays an important role in the complex system of living nature. These facts are just a drop in the vast sea of wonders that surround us, and we hope they will become a starting point for further discoveries and exploration of the amazing world of nature.